Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Neeraja's Cooking and Crafts. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very easy but yummy guacamole. So let's get started. The ingredients we'll be needing are 1 lime, 5 green Thai chilies, 1 avocado, 1 tomato, and 2 long green chilies. So first off, let's start with the avocado. Let me cut this avocado. Okay, so I cut the avocado. Now let's make sure it's nice. That's beautiful. So now let's just scoop out the avocado. Okay, there's that one. Now let's do the other one. For this one, we need to take out the pit. So to take out the pit, just put your avocado on the ground and then just do that and twist. It should normally come off. Just like that. So now let's just put the pit to the side. Okay. Now let's scoop this out. Okay. Okay, so while we have that to the side, we're going to be making this into like a paste. So then after this is a paste, we're going to be putting it in here. So these are green Thai chilies, and these would be more spicy, so I'm using 5. And these chilies, they won't be as spicy. They just have a little mild spice to it. Okay, so I made it into a paste. And now what we can do is we can add this in here. Now we'll just put that to the side. And now we're going to be cutting these into like slices. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this onto the cutting board. And I'm just going to be chopping it into like slices, like these. So I'll see you after these are done. Okay, so now we can just add this in. They're all chopped. Now, the other thing we need to chop is this tomato. So we're going to be cutting it into really small pieces. So we're going to be dicing it. So like, they should be this small. They're really small. So I'll be cutting the rest of this into this size. And then we can add this in too. Now, we can just squeeze in this lime juice. Okay, I squeezed the lemon juice out of that. Now all we need to do is mix this up and make sure the avocado is nicely mashed. Now you can just start mixing it. So just smush the avocado with the fork. You can use a potato smasher too. That's also pretty a good tool. Okay, so the last thing we need to add in here is some salt. So here I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and now I'm just going to add that in. And now let's just give this a mix. So this is how you make guacamole. It's super easy, anyone can make it. And it tastes super good. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!